Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can change the email address on your Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, also put likes, write comments, and let's get to our topic. So, to do this, you and I are going to open up the Facebook application for starters. Then we're going to go to the menu at the bottom. And now we're going to go to the menu. We're going to need to click on the gear at the top. And now we're going to need to go to the Meta Account Center. Click on that. And then we'll scroll down to the bottom and select Personal Information. Now Contact Information. And now, as you can see, we have contact information here. It's an email address, and it's also a phone number. If you have multiple, like I do, have email addresses or maybe multiple numbers. Next, in order to change the email address, first we'll need to add a new email. We click on Add New Contact and select Email. And now in this line, we will need to enter our new email address. Once you enter your new email address, you will select Facebook to which you will link the new address. Now we're going to click Next. Now in the next step, you and I will need to enter the password or the confirmation code that came to your email. To do this, we will need to log out of Facebook, open Gmail, and open the mail. As you can see, we have an email here from Facebook. If we open it, we'll see that there's a confirmation password. Now click Next. And select our Facebook account. As you can see, now we have another mail. And if you want this email that you just added to be your primary email, then the old email, you click on it. And select Delete Email at the bottom. After that, you have to confirm the action by clicking Delete, and then the old email will be deleted and the new email will be your primary email. This is how you will be able to change your email address on your Facebook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes and don't forget to write comments. And until next time.